This tutorial is for those who have just started learning computers and they're more focused on programming. So basically, to start with computers, first step is to learn MS-DOS and learn the basic of file organization in the computer. And we will see the various commands available in DOS to organize your files, directories, and contents of your data. So uh, I have some notes I can show you. So we will follow this note to have a proper direction of the tutorial. So first is drive. So basically, the computer is the data of the data is contained to is stored in the computer on hard disk, and hard disk is partitioned in various drives. So this computer is having only one drive called C drive. So basically, C is default in every Windows PC, and and in that drive, the system files and all are contained of the PC. So we will start with drive. So when you say drive and colon, it will change to the drive. So for example, you say D colon, so it will change to the D drive. So D drive is the CD-ROM drive. So right now it will not work because there is nothing on that. So it's having nothing. So we'll go to C drive and we will go to the root directory. When you say CD slash, it goes to the root directory. So CD and backslash will go to the root directory. So let's create one directory first, and in that we will create our files and we will organize all the other things. So what is directory? Directory is a container to hold all the files logically. So you can create containers called directories, and you can keep the same type of files in the similar directory in that directory. So let me create one directory or folder. So I will say mkdir. Mkdir means make directory. So directory and folder both are synonyms, and you can use any term for that. So mkdir first, I will say first dir. So our first directory is created when I say dir is for directory listing. So it is listing all the directories present in this drive. So here our first dir is present. We'll go inside the first dir. So try to list all the contents of the dir first dir. It is having no files in that. It's saying 0 bytes, and this is saying 4490 to 4991232 bytes free. Some kind of 44 GB of space is free in this hard disk. It is saying that. Okay. So there's one command to clear the screen saver. You want to go to the top of the screen, and so you can say CLS. That's where you clear the screen. So let's say you want to create one file. So you can open Notepad editor, text editor, and you can create your file in that text file in that. So I say Notepad first.txt, so it will create one first.txt file. So I am writing first file. So now you can save the data of the file. So whatever content you are creating in the file, it has to be saved. Otherwise, it will be lost. If you don't save, it will not be saved on the hard disk. So when you try to close it, it will ask, do you want to save the changes to first.txt? I will say save. So now the contents are saved in this file. You want to see the content of the file? Okay, so whatever I have stored in Notepad, it is present here. So I will say again, I will list the directory. So now it is having one file with 19 bytes. Okay, we have done create file. Now you should be able to delete file also. There is a command to delete file, del file name. So now this file is gone. This is deleted from the hard disk. Okay. So you can create directories inside a directory and as uh, dir sub dir. So now you can say dir. So it is directory now. New.h created. Go to here, go inside the sub dir and try to create a file here. Control S or file save. So it will save the file in the notepad. Type. So I have given the wrong name, that's why it's not able to find out. The first.txt. Now I'll try to delete this file. Del sub dir. It is asking if you want to delete the directory and contents of the file. I will say yes, no. I will say yes. So content and the folder sub dir and its content will be gone. No. So actually it was saying that are you sure you want to delete contents of the sub dir? It's not deleting the directory. So when you want to go to the previous directory, parent directory, you have to say cd and dot dot. So it will go to the parent directory. And when you say cd dot, dot means the home, the current directory. So it will not change. And when you say cd dot dot, it will go to parent directory. I will go inside first dir. Okay. Now, if you want to delete the directory, you have to say rd, remove directory. So now that is deleted. If you want to, let's try one more. dir test dir cd test dir notepad. There is one command called tree. So by tree command you can see the hierarchy of the folder structure. So when you say tree, no subfolder exists. So it's not having any subfolder inside it, so it's not saying anything. Let's go one folder back and let's try this command. So it is saying test dir c test dir. So it is saying that one directory is inside the C drive in the first directory. Let's go back again and test tree command. It will say a couple of like in C drive all the folders it is listing and whatever is inside the folder it is listing. So everything it is listing inside that. Okay, let's cancel this. Let's clear the screen. Now go to SDIR. This is our so basically we learned in this tutorial about creating directory and organizing files inside that and removing directory and removing files that are present. So using DOS command we can do all these operations. If you want to list all the commands entered today, you can say DOS key. It is sorry, I don't know this. There is no history kind of command.